So through careful observation of this situation, analyzing the patterns in the readings, the recurring themes, and the synchronized timing of messages across multiple tarot readers, it becomes evident that this is a coordinated effort. Unless someone is incredibly gullible, it's clear that a group of tarot readers is orchestrating this entire scheme. So even some tarot readers have come forward, exposing their peer for accepting payments to push specific narratives. And these readers are actively participating in criminal activity such as gang stalking. So what am I saying? So I'm the one being targeted. So where does mirroring come in? So they fabricate illusions through their staged tarot reading, coordinating their efforts to create a false narrative that mirrors my real situation. But in their scenario, I was the villain because this is tied up with Destiny TV. So their messages are pure illusions designed to trigger me, using lies to create emotional imbalance and a sense of injustice. So in this manipulated readings, they portray their actual victim, me, as the villain. So if in reality, I'm being targeted by a group of tarot readers. So in the reality, they will create a reality that I am a part of a group, an illusory group, and that I was targeting another person along with this group. So this serves two purposes: evading accountability, second, further abuse the victim. So ultimately, this is about stealing destinies. So by falsely assuming the role of the victim, they attempt to take what belongs to their target while further pushing them down.